Welcome to this tutorial on why use Trust Wallet installation. Trust Wallet is a popular digital wallet that allows users to securely store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. In this guide, we will walk you through the benefits of using Trust Wallet and how to install it. First, let's discuss the key features of Trust Wallet. It is a decentralized wallet, meaning that users have full control over their assets and private keys. Trust Wallet also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Additionally, it has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and manage your digital assets. Another important feature of Trust Wallet is its security. It uses advanced encryption and secure enclaves to protect your private keys and assets. Trust Wallet also has a built-in Web3 browser that allows you to interact with decentralized applications and access various blockchain-based services. Now, let's move on to the installation process. To install Trust Wallet, simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Trust Wallet. Click on the Install button and wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open the app and follow the setup process, which includes creating a new wallet and setting up a password. One of the best practices when using Trust Wallet is to enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. You should also make sure to back up your seed phrase and store it in a safe place, as this is the only way to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. In conclusion, Trust Wallet installation is a great option for anyone looking to securely store and manage their digital assets. Its decentralized nature, wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and advanced security features make it a popular choice among cryptocurrency users. By following the installation process and best practices outlined in this guide, you can start using Trust Wallet today and take control of your digital assets.